pag-usapan natin itong Shimano Vanford 2024. If nagpaplano pa lang kayong bilihin tong reel na to, is this reel even worth your money? My straight answer would be yes. If naghahanap kayo ng reel na versatile, durable, napakagaan, and very smooth yung performance, not just in terms of gearing, but also yung kanyang drag system, then this reel is one of the reels that I recommend. Especially if you want to use this for ultralight fishing. This reel comes in different sizes. Yung meron ako dito is the 2000S. So C2000S, yung C meaning compact, yung S meaning it is shallow spool. So this specific model, yung kanyang weight is 155 grams lang. Yung drag capacity niya, 3 kilograms. Yung kanyang gear ratio is 5.1:1. So this reel packs the latest features and technology Shimano has to offer. And tingnan nyo pa lang, it already has the anti-twist fin na makikita nyo lang sa mga high-end model ng Shimano, yung Stella for example. But this year, yung 2024 na models nila, it has trickled down to its to the Shimano Vanford na range, even the Stradix, and of course also the Twin Power. So it packs the latest features. It's got the Infinity X Cross, Infinity Drive, yung kanyang drag system, yung drag washers niya is already Duracross, and it's got the MGL rotor. Yung body niya is CI4 na, both the body and the rotor. And it's got, of course, it's got the Hagani gearing system. Compared to other manufacturers who cut their gearing to form the gearing of the reel, what Shimano does is they 3D model the gear, stamped it with a lot of pressure, forming a very precisely cut gear. Kaya napaka-smooth ng kanilang gearing. And aside from that, it also comes with the X Protect, the X Ship, and it's got the G-Free body, the RC spool, long stroke spool. Yung bearings is already the SARB bearings. And of course, kung titingnan nyo yung kanyang bail, it already has the one-piece bail arm. So yes, with all that features, I do recommend itong Shimano Vanford na 2024.